So today you'll learn how to hide or unhide your gender on the REDnote app. So the first step is to launch the app, and then you want to navigate to your profile editor. To do this, start by tapping on Me in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on Edit Profile if you're using an iPhone. And if you're using any other Android device, then you should just see a profile option. So just tap on it the exact same way you would tap on Edit Profile. Once you've done that, you then come to the section labeled Gender and tap on it. And then under Gender, you should see Publicly Display and then Show Gender with the toggle next to it. So all you need to do to show your gender on your profile is simply just tap on the toggle, select Confirm, and then you want to tap on Save and confirm that you wish to save the changes. And once you've done that, you can now see the gender icon appearing on your profile. So this icon is for females, and then if you have the male icon, it will be a blue icon. So again, if you want to hide your gender, just go back to your profile editor, select Gender, tap on the toggle next to Show Gender, confirm, and then save and apply the changes. And once you've done that, the gender icon will then disappear from your profile. So it's up to you to decide if you want to show or hide it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.